Hello guys, through this video question number 2 of exercise 3.5 has been described. The question is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. This is the given pair of linear equations where we have to find out the values of a and b under the condition that the given pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. Since given pair of linear equations has infinite number of solutions, therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for having an infinite number of solutions. Putting the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, we have here a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b, c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. By taking first and third and second and third, we have further a pair of linear equations in a and b. 2 upon a minus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. After cross multiplication, we get the expression this. Further simplification gives this. Transferring a and b on the left hand side and number on the right hand side, we get an equation like this. Similarly, taking second and third, we have 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiplication and further simplification gives the expression like this. And after transferring a and b to the left hand side and calculating as per the sign involved, finally we get an equation like this. Or after multiplying both sides by minus sign, this converts into this. This is the second equation. Solving these two equations, we get the values of a and b. Multiplying the equation both sides by 2 to make the coefficients of a equal. This becomes minus 2a plus 18b is equal to 8. After addition, minus 2a and 2a cancel out and we get 14b is equal to 14. So b is equal to 14 by 14, that is 1. Now putting the value of b in 1, we have minus a plus 9 into b is equal to 4, that is minus a plus 9 is equal to 4, or minus a is equal to 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. Minus minus cancel, a is equal to 5. Thus, finally we have a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. This is the आंसर. अब आते हैं सेकंड पार्ट पर. फॉर विच वैल्यू ऑफ k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? Here condition is no solution. To find the value of k, since the given pair of linear equations has no solution, and therefore condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Substituting the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2, we have a1 is 3, a2 is 2k minus 1, this whole quantity is a2, b1 is 1, coefficient of y in first equation it is 1, and b2 is k minus 1, not equal to c1, c1 is 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. अब यहाँ इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और इक्वेशन सेकंड ले सकते हैं, या फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड ले सकते हैं, सेकंड एंड थर्ड ले सकते हैं. टेकिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, we have 3 upon 2k minus 1, 1 upon k minus 1. After cross multiplication we get this. Three k minus 2k, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Thus k is equal to 2. Thus, for k is equal to 2, the given system of linear equations has no solution. k की इस वैल्यू के लिए कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाती है, अतः k = 2 इज द आंसर। अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पर। सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस बाय द सब्स्टिट्यूशन एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड। इस पेयर को दो मेथडों से सॉल्व करना है। पहले सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से और देन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से। सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन 2। किसी भी एक इक्वेशन से फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 हम एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर वेरिएबल निकालेंगे। जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर y की वैल्यू 9 - 8x/5 आती है। इक्वेशन 1 से इसे निकाला है, तो अब इसे दूसरे इक्वेशन में रखेंगे। पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y in equation 2, we have 3x plus 2 and the value of y 9 - 8x/5 and it is equal to 4. This becomes 3x, 18 - 16x by 5 is equal to 4. Taking the LCM of 5, we have like this: 4/1 cross multiplication, 15x - 16x plus 18 is equal to 20, or -x is equal to 20 - 18, or x is equal to -2. Now putting x is equal to -2 in any one, suppose in equation 1, we have 8 into -2 plus 5y is equal to 9. So 5y is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. So y is equal to 25/5, that is 5. Thus x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 5 is the solution. अब इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से सिंप्लीफाई करना है, तो कोएफिशिएंट्स को हम इस तरीके से अरेंज करेंगे। अरेंजिंग द कोएफिशिएंट्स in the following arrangement, in the following manner: पहले b1, then b2, c1, then c2, then a1, a2 and then b1, b2। इसके ऊपर x, यहाँ y और यहाँ -1 रखेंगे क्योंकि कांस्टेंट टर्म राइट साइड पर है। फिर क्या करेंगे, x बाई इस प्रोडक्ट को पहले लिखना है 20, फिर माइनस लगा करके इस प्रोडक्ट को लिखना है। इसी तरीके से यहाँ 27 - 32 -1 बाई further x upon 2 is equal to y upon minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 1. This gives x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to plus 5. By taking first and third, then second and third, we can calculate the values of x and y as minus 2 and 5. This is the answer. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद वीडियो देखने के लिए. थैंक यू.